Okay, so bildo means glass. Bildo means glass, right? So you could be walking along the beach with the pollution, and it's a polluted beach, and then you see all the broken glass shards, right? That's like bildo, right? Or bildo ang kalidad sa botella, right? The quality of the bottle is glass. Kagwang is a flying squirrel or like a fox kind of flying animal, right? I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a small kind of flying foxy squirrel, right? This is often used as a joke in a kind of like an endearing kind of joke, kind of in a way, or like in an insulting kind of endearing way. So you can say, "Ay, kakagwang nimo." Oh, you're such a dodo head, or you silly goose, or you, I don't know, you dodo brain, you silly goose. Like, it's kind of like that. Ay, kagwang nimo. It's kind of used in that kind of sense. Hangyo means to request or to bargain something, right? To bargain down. Muhangyo kog diskwento, right? I'm gonna bargain or I'm gonna ask for a discount, right? Hangyo is to ask for a bargain. How is this different requests from pangutana? Well, pangutana is to ask a question or to inquire about something. Hangyo is to request or to bargain for something. So watch out for those similar verbs. Right? Hangyo has a more specific meaning than pangutana, which is more generalized. Aproba is aprobar, right? So they both mean the same thing, and they both mean to approve something. Aproba, aprobar. Uyon is sugot, right? Dili ko mo uyon, dili ko mo sugot, right? So they both mean to agree or to comply or to agree on something, right? To agree. Bingwit is a fishing rod, right? So you use this to go fishing, mangisda, right? Bingwit is a fishing rod. Now, the verb to go fishing is mangisda, but you can also use this bingwit, right? You can also make nouns into verbs, right? So bingwit can be, oh, I'm gonna go fishing. But if you use bingwit, it's gonna have the meaning of you're gonna go fishing with a fishing rod, versus mangisda, which is to go fishing in general, meaning you can go fishing on a fishing rod, you can go fishing to catch crabs, you can go fishing using a fishing net, you can go fishing using a boat and a net. You see, it's so general, but bingwit is just a fishing rod. What else? Hubad means to translate. Hubad, right? Hubad means to translate from one language to another, or to translate whatever meaning was lost, right? Lukton is a locust, or anything that's a bigger grasshopper, right? So any animal or any insect that's like a grasshopper but a lot bigger, or like a locust, it's a lukton, right? Lukton. Prioridad is priority. Pulus is silbi or silbi, right? Meaning to be of use, right? To have of use, to be of a good use, or to have some sort of usage, right? To be of some sort of help or some sort of use for something, to have a role or a meaning or some sort of use for something, right? Sugyot is recomenda or recomendar, which all of them mean to suggest, right? To recommend or to suggest. Sugyot is the indigenous word. Recomenda and recomendar are both the borrowed Spanish words. They all coexist and they all are Cebuano words. Ungo means monster. Ungo. I should have put the glottal stop at the end. Ungo means monster. Aninikad means a snail, right? The insect, the snail that moves slowly. Aninikad. Wakwak is a witch. Kabo is a scoop, right? Kabo, which means a scoop, like a scoop. So you can use it as a scoop that you can help you to take a bath. Like you scoop yourself with the water and you pour it on your body. That's a scoop. You can use a kabo as a scoop where you can, I don't know, you can scoop up grains or rice or water or liquids or fluids, things like that. It's a scoop, like the big scoop with the handle, like a dipper, like the little dipper, big dipper. Yeah, it's like a kabo, right? So if you see the stars, in the sky, if you see the constellation of the Big Dipper, that is a kabo, right? Kabo. Don't forget the glottal stop. Balde is a bucket. So kabo u balde, you can bring the scoop and the bucket when you go to take a bath, right? Kabo u balde, you're just gonna use the bucket to hold the water, and then you're gonna use the kabo to scoop the water, right? Then finally, anso. Right? Anso is a foul urinal, like a urine smell, right? A foul urine smell. So when you go to public toilets or public restrooms or bathrooms or whatever rooms or the loo or whatever you call it, the public toilet will have that foul kind of urine smell. Maybe some homeless person was there who was peeing, or some person with a psychiatric disorder was probably peeing somewhere and it smells like foul urine or stale urine or some sort of urine smell, right? That's what we call it as an anso. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what that smell is like. So we describe that as anso.